Well, greetings subscribers, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and man, it is a beautiful sunny day, which is probably going to be, you know, very detrimental later, but I have to run down to Lamborghini of Las Vegas, take the Cheddarwedge back because did all that work with, you know, serpentine belt, oil change, wire harness, and then the bearings and the axle shaft on the passenger side, and now the car is pulling to the right, which well, I guess it's better than pulling to the left, right? Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna head down there, and then I'm gonna swing by Insane Power just to go check on the Challenger engine. It's been, yeah, coming up on 9 months now, and yeah, Plum Crazy Pam's getting a little irritated, so go check that out. But first things first, I thought I'd give you a cold start, which is actually going to be excessive heat wave start, because I think it's already like 100 degrees out. So anyhow, yeah, we'll get this set up and kind of take it from there, and then check in once we're either down at Lamborghini Las Vegas, see if they got any new cars, see if they still got that pink Ultimate, and then yep, head over to Insane Power. So as always, stay tuned. Just to show you what I'm talking about as far as the alignment with that axle shaft is, usually the car had a nice little sweet spot, but right now if you look, yeah, I'm changing lane. If you pull it back over, yeah, I'm changing lanes. If you pull it back over, yeah, so it's kind of lost its tracking a little bit. So they say that shouldn't have happened. They didn't change anything with like the A-arms or the tie rod or anything like that, so they didn't change the geometry, which is why I said it might be just a brake pad dragging, possibly. I don't know, but again, you can feel it like right here. It's tight, and then there's like this little dead spot, and then I don't know if you can see, like, look, you know, pull it back over, and yeah, it'll it'll drift. So hopefully they'll get that fixed. Alright, so Ben's gonna go take the car back on the rack and you know, just double check the alignment, check the brake pad, see if you know, something's dragging, whatever. So got a little bit of time to kill, so we'll go inside. I was gonna head over to the Lambo showroom, but there's really nothing in there. It looks like it's the same, so I thought I'd come in here and like.
And what is your motto for life? She said, don't fuck with the queen. And this is why we love her still.
Just gonna show this off a little bit. I don't know, it says it's like as is, so I guess it's used. Anyway, they got some music playing, so I'm not gonna be able to really, you know, do much, but here you go. 2022 certified, yeah, certified pre-owned. So let's see what the I don't see a price on it, but anyway, we'll be back. All right, so the car is aligned again. Another 440 bucks. Bennett said it was 8,000 miles. I mean, it was 2019 I put the tires on, so that was a while ago, but again, it was only like 8,000 miles, so not too bad. But anyway, looks like they wiped it down again, so there's my, $440 wash job, right? All right, well, yeah, I'm gonna probably film and track it on the freeway to see how it's handling, but I'll get the report and see what everything's set at the moment. I told him just put it back even as possible, and we'll see how it goes. So anyway, as always, I'll see you on the next one. All right, just a quick update. A few minutes later, yeah, I hopped in the car and went up the street, and it was still pulling to the right. So now they're gonna keep it and check the axle again, because they maybe think now that rebuilding it, cutting, putting new bearings in there, now it might be a different circumference, or it might not be spinning at the same speed, or it might have some resistance, but it's, yeah, definitely pulling to the right, and even after the alignment, it doesn't feel any different than it did before. So, and especially over bumps, or if you like lightly tap the brake, it's I mean, yeah, you could do a U-turn. So all right, we'll add to the days, I guess. That's 90, 91, 92. So I will not be heading to Insane Power to go check that motor. Again, first world problems, right? So yeah, this is Wednesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, I don't know. I told Ben to maybe just check with the place that did the axle and see if they say, oh yeah, that's common, especially if you only did one. You got to let that break in and it'll be fine, in 1,000 miles, 500 miles, whatever the break-in period might be. But otherwise, yeah, once again, without the car. And I need to check the dates on a couple things like the Vegas Auto Fest and Concours d'Elegance and whatever, because I really have no idea what I might have paid for, and so we'll just go from there. And yeah, not really feeling it today, along with a bunch of other BS. So yeah, no happy ending here. See you on the next one.